One of the easiest things you can do to support a learner with reading difficulties is to experiment and change the font style within a word processor. The default font does not suit everyone, and it can be easily changed. A plain non-serif font is often a good place to start. This is how you can change and set the font. I'm going to highlight the text first, and I'm just going to go to the drop-down list here where all the fonts are stored, and then you can just scroll through the various fonts to try with your pupil to see which one would suit him or her best. So let's go for Verdana. That's a non-serif font. It doesn't contain any tails. And of course you can change the size as well. There's also just underneath the font list, there's an option here where you can experiment with more options. So under the Advanced tab, for example, you can change the scale of the text and the spacing of the text. So the spacing can be quite helpful as well. And in the box down here, there's a preview of what the text will look like. And you can also finally adjust it in this box here too. So let's go back to the font style. And what I want now to do is choose Set as Default. So every time I open up a Word document, the font will always be the same. So let's do Set as Default. And I want to choose all documents based on the normal template and say OK. Okay, so now when I go into a new document and I start typing, there we go, I have my Verdana font just as I chose it as the default font.